Hey guys, what's good? I'm Praveen. This is Maahek from BodyProCoach Nutrition. Welcome to the channel. We've got something really amazing that's a great source of fat and protein. And the coolest thing about this one is that it's very easy to prepare.
So for all vegetarian lovers, today we are doing a paneer vegetable tikki for you.
Let's go have a look at the recipe now.
First, in a mixing bowl, half cup shredded or finely chopped broccoli, half cup chopped corn, half red bell pepper, that's 50 grams of cottage cheese, 1 small cup of finely chopped spring onion, 1 cup of spring onion leaves, salt as per taste, half a teaspoon ginger powder, half a pinch of cinnamon powder, red paprika, a cup of kasuri methi, that's fenugreek leaves, 1 cup of chickpeas flour, and lastly half a cup water. Now we're going to mix the same into a nice dough. Then you're going to make a dough and nice round tikki out of this. Then on a pan, I have added little olive oil, grease the pan nicely, and now I'm going to fry them crisp and nice. Not deep fry them, but toss it on the pan. Once they're well done, you're going to just flip it over to the other side. So our paneer vegetable tikki is ready. So for all vegetarian people, please note that paneer is a powerhouse for protein and calcium. That means this complete meal is loaded with protein, calcium and complete fiber, what you need, because it's loaded with lots of vegetables.
Alright, so you want to make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell icon, that you always get to know about our new videos. And we've got about almost 7 videos in a week, which means every single day we got videos on information or recipes or some transformation which can literally motivate you to take a step towards fitness. Alright, you want to make sure one more thing is that you want to share the channel with your friends and family, and thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We're looking forward to seeing you in the next video.
See you.
See you.